What a day, hey?
Hey, good. Hey.
Been to the markets, been for a surf, fed the boys on the beach, got some epic honey, and now I think we little bit of yakitori.
You.
It's gonna be good.
Do it. Yeah.
Okay, time to make the teriyaki sauce. We've got our local honey, which we got earlier. Do you want to pour about maybe a tablespoon in?
Sure.
Perfect. Thank you, Daiki. Some soy. Thank you. Cooking sake, in it goes. Perfect. And then our last ingredient, mirin. Okay, so that adds a little bit of extra sweetness to balance out. Obviously, we got the honey for a bit of sweetness, mirin for sweetness. Obviously, the salt coming from the soy sauce. And I'll put that on the heat. Do you want to give it a stir? I think the important thing here with this is that we don't really want to bring it to the boil. There's a lot of sugars in there. We just want to incorporate it all. And if you want, we can bring it back later and get it nice and thick and glossy. But we're just going to use it to brush on top of our skewers. Okay, Daiki, I might get you to do the spring onion, just some little batons. Okay, so we've got chicken thigh fillet, which is super versatile, really easy to use, packs a whole heap of flavour. Free range, and the reason I love the thigh fillet for this dish is because it's got a bit of fat on there, and it works really well on the grill. You know, the fat adds the flavour, gets those nice flames, perfect for the barbecue. So I'm just going to cut it into 2.5 to 3 centimetre pieces. And then Daiki, do you want to start threading on the shallot and the chicken?
In Japan, to become the yakitori master, to skewer like veggies or chicken, the kind of thing, it takes 3 years.
3 years?
Yeah, and to actually making the yakitori is forever.
Forever?
Yeah.
To become the master?
Yeah, but don't worry about it. This is like home style kitchen, so.
Yeah, home style kitchen.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So first up, shallot, and then we put a little bit of chicken. So we just thread it on. It doesn't need to be too fancy. A couple of pieces of chicken, then shallot, a couple more pieces of chicken. And then it's really simple, it's just gonna go straight on the barbecue. You know, if you're at home, you didn't have a barbecue, chuck it in a pan. It's easy stuff. What do you reckon? Will I get a job at the restaurant?
Yeah, you can do that.
All right, let's move the teriyaki sauce off over here. So basically what we're gonna do, guys, we've got the hot coals, we're gonna get them on there and then just baste it with the teriyaki sauce. So let's get them on. Look at that, sizzle, sizzle. So we just get a little bit of colour on them first, and then we've got just a pastry brush, and we'll lift them off, give them a little brush. Daiki will keep turning them, keep rotating them. There's obviously a lot of sugar and sweetness with the honey in the teriyaki sauce, so just got to keep an eye on them, move them on and off the heat, like the master here. What about that? They literally have just hit the grill,
Yeah.
and they already smell amazing.
All comes good. Yeah.
So good. Okay, what do you reckon? Do you think we should, is it turning time?
Yeah, turning time. Let's turn it. Everything.
Turn it? Yeah. And when do you think I should do a little baste with the teriyaki sauce? Is now good, or do we wait a little bit longer?
You can do it now, like.
Just a little bit?
Yeah. Just right there.
Just slowly adding it, hey?
Yeah.
Smells really good, eh?
It smells good. That's reminding me of like yakitori store in the Japanese like summer festival.
Really? Smells so good. Do you want to do that side, chef?
Yeah.
How you looking? Oh, yeah.
Looking great.
Hey, looking real good. There we go, guys. Super simple chicken yakitori on the barbecue using our Lilydale free-range chicken thigh fillets. Grab your pack at Coles today.